Today we are keeping it simple. Tender, dry-rubbed pork spare ribs, slow-cooked to perfection, pair with a crisp and juicy Greek salad with a summer twist, watermelon. This is flavor-packed, no-fuss cooking that feels like a vacation on a plate. Welcome to Lay's Kitchen. Start by preparing the Greek salad. Off camera, I cut the watermelon into cubes. Cut celery on a bias. Slice the onion. Cube the feta cheese. Cut the Greek olives into halves. Add 1 tablespoon of caper. Sprinkle chopped fresh parsley. Combine all in a salad bowl and cover to set aside in the fridge. Next, season the spare ribs. Clean and pat dry the spare ribs. Season the slabs with butt rub, which is a brand name of the seasoning, on both sides. Pat down the seasoning. Cut the slabs from the backside into individual ribs because it's easier to see each rib. Place the ribs into a slow cooker. Add half a cup of water, cover the cooker, and set it on low for 4 hours. After the ribs are cooked, you have an option to glaze the spare ribs with a barbecue sauce of your choice. I did half and left the other half as is. Broil the ribs in the oven for a few minutes on each side until golden brown. Time to dress the salad. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add dry oregano, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, toss gently. Taste it and add salt or other seasoning as needed. I did add more salt. Assemble time. Place a few ribs onto a plate. Serve the salad in a small bowl. Optionally, pair it with a glass of Greek white wine. And there you have it. Tender, flavorful pork spare ribs paired with a bright, refreshing Greek salad. Summer style with juicy watermelon. It's a perfect balance of smoky, savory, and cool crispness, all on one plate. If you enjoy this recipe, give it a like, share it with a friend. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.